Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to add Tradingview Widget. Let's dive right in. Whether you're a trader eager to share your insights or a developer looking to provide market data, adding a Tradingview widget to your website can be a game changer. It brings dynamic, real-time financial information straight to your web page, enhancing the experience for your visitors. Exploring widget options. First, head over to Tradingview's widget page. Here, you can explore a variety of widget options, each with its own unique features. For instance, the Advanced Chart widget offers a comprehensive interactive chart, ideal for those who want an in-depth look at market trends. If you prefer something more compact, consider the mini chart or single ticker for a concise price display. Additionally, there are options like the ticker tape for scrolling price updates and enhanced tools such as the watch list, market overview, and economic visualizations like the heat map and crypto map. Don't forget about the economic calendar if you need to track upcoming economic events. Generating your embed code. Once you've selected the widget that suits your needs, the next step is to generate the embed code. Navigate to the widget directory, which you can find under Tradingview's products section, or through their widget documentation. Here, you'll find all the available widgets listed. Choose your desired one, like the advanced chart for a comprehensive solution. Customization is crucial. Now, customization is where you can really tailor the widget to your needs. Adjust the parameters to align with your specific requirements. You can set the symbol to display financial instruments that are relevant to your focus. Modify the interval to choose the time frame that will be most valuable to your audience. Pick from different themes to ensure the widget blends well with your website's design. You also have the option to tweak the size and decide if elements like the toolbar or side legend should be visible. Embedding the widget. Once you're happy with your customizations, Tradingview will provide an auto-generated script snippet. It's time to integrate this into your website. Go to the HTML file where you want the widget to appear. Find the right spot in your code and paste the script snippet you've copied. After saving the changes, refresh your web page to see your new Tradingview widget in action. By adding a Tradingview widget, you're not just offering data, you're providing a crucial tool for decision makers, enriching the value you deliver to your website visitors. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to add Tradingview widget. If it did, please let us know down in the comments section below. Subscribe to the channel, PMN Online,